Greetings, fantabulous people. I hope all you are doing great as always. And I welcome you into this new episode of Unfiltered Thoughts. So, today's point of discussion is that will AI ever replace human beings? And today we are also joined by two discussants, Sachin Patel and Sunny Singh. They both are my friends, and we are going to share our thoughts and POV onto this particular topic. So, anybody wants to take the lead, or I'll start straight away?
No, you can start. You can start.
So, okay, I'll just start it. What's my opinion on that is that AI is a very emerging technology. It's very fascinating to talk about how a computer, basically bits 0101, we know that computer works on operational bits. So AI in itself is a very fascinating. Why so? Because those bits can learn from data. They can possess the humanly features. Because reasoning, answering, and all of this sort of abilities, they are considered to be the humanly. We as a human has those kind of abilities, and we are trying to give it to those bits. They can learn, they can manipulate, and if you talk about the today's scenario, they are not an imagination. They are real. We have got a plenty of LLMs like ChatGPTs and Gemini who are doing this right now. We just have to click it, we just have to give it a prompt, and all the knowledge, all the internet is going to be searched for you just to give you the proper and the best possible answer for your query. And if we talk, let's just move to the question: will AI ever replace human beings? So, in my opinion, straight away, no. And why so? Because AI, they can be like assistants, and they build for that purpose. For instance, we taken when calculators was made. Before that, human was doing the calculation manually, so it will take a lot of time because that's humanly possible not to do a lot of complex calculation in a second, or it take times. And also there's an error because if a human do such things, and this there's a complicated thing, so it's tend to have error. Then to solve that one particular problem, we made calculators. So that is, for that era is a technology that emerged. That wow, that is a miracle. What you made, it can calculate a large number of data. It can calculate complex, calculation in just a second. So why? And on the same analogy, the artificial intelligence was also made because we humans evolved. Our needs changed, our personality changed. So AI is that kind of an assistant who is responsible to fulfill our needs in today's generation. We have different kind of needs. For an example, if we talk about CSC, we have web development and all this kind of things, coding and everything that came into the picture. So we've got to have that kind of assistance. If we stuck in somewhere, we gotta have to tell them, give a prompt so they can tell us what we are doing wrong. So they can be assistant only. If we saying that that kind of technology is going to replace us, that is not going to happen straight away. A creator cannot surpass its creation, although a creation can be better in some specific points from its creator. Like we as a human, we are the creator, we create artificial intelligence. So in terms of precision, in terms of faster calculation, AI is better than us, far better than us. I understand that, and I also agree on that. But if we talk about reasoning, if we talk about emotional consciousness, we are unbeatable, we are unreachable in that. So in my opinion, because of that only, AI will never going to replace human beings. So I'll pass cup to Sachin Bhai. Sachin Bhai is going to tell their thoughts and their POVs on this topic.
I think that Dishant gave the introduction of AI, that AI will replace humans or not. I think AI is faster and more efficient than humans. It is true, but human creation is more important than AI. AI means it's artificial intelligence. Now, if we talk advantage over human beings, AI works 24 into 7 without fatigue. It's perform fast, cheaper, also with few errors. Now, AI is already replacing job in the sectors like telecommunication, that like chat bot replacing customer support, and many other fields. But this is my point in the favor of AI. Now I passes to the Sunny Singh.
Yeah, I agree with Dishant that AI will never replace human beings. As AI don't have emotion, they can't think like us. AI means in general, humans have only created AI. Means AI is the thing which humans are creative according to me. Humans have only created AI, which by giving the data. What is AI? AI simply means when we give data. AI is a collection of data, a large amount of data. We humans have common sense. We that AI needs. I agree with Dishan bhai that AI cannot replace human beings, as humans have only created AI. They uh,
As we seen, AI comes to the every sector in the India, in the whole world. Like in education, AI tutors are comes. In healthcare, AI diagnosis, and in the banking sector, the facility provides this also done with the help of AI. So I conclude that AI may not replace human beings, but humans who do not adapt AI will surely be replaced. That's all my points in the favor of AI.
Okay. And I agree with Dishan bhai that AI can never replace human beings. As humans are creative, human can think new ideas. AI mostly follows data, information which is given by humans to it. Humans have common sense. Humans can handle sudden situations, but AI can't handle it. Now, job will disappear. AI can never disappear the job. They can only help people to means AI will help people to do the work in more accurately or in a time given efficient time. So according to me, AI will never replace the job in this sector. Uh,
Okay.
Now I pass it to Dishant bhai for this.
I just want to conclude this whole topic. Like, so the question is that will AI will able to replace the human beings? So the answer is straight away no. Although it seems to have masters us in a lot of specific domains. For an example, I talk also about like precision and solving complex problem. Yeah, definitely it's better than us, but we have that kind of power. If we have, like, we are the creators, we have that kind of power. We create artificial intelligence, that sort of a technology. Like because if we go earlier, 10 years ago, there's no such things as AI. Like a computer can learn from us data and everything, but we built that. So we are the creators, we have that much of power, and also we, at every instance, we have the upper hand. All that seems to have that our creation has surpassed us. For instance, we human, we are the creation of the supreme personality of God. We thought that we are too much capable of doing something, but is it we are? We are also puppets. Our puppeteer is somewhere, pulling those strings, and it is seems to be have the delusion that our fate is our fate, our decision is our decision. But there's someone who is pulling those strings. So this situation is similar to that. And also there's a factor of a human only. If AI, the technology, is using in a wrong way, so that is only because of the human intention. Human is making or using that particular technology in a very bad manner. That is not the fault of an technology. For instance, we take a car. If any accident happen, we say that's the mistake of a car. No, we say that's the mistake of a driver, because that's the person who's driving that. So I just want to conclude that AI can only be like an assistant, not they can master us or they can dominate us, be like what we see in the movies like Terminator and also. So yeah, and thank you for watching this video, and I also thank you Sachin Bhai and Sunny Singh for joining this conversation, placing their point of views also. I appreciate that, and let's meet in the another video. Until then, you also know, stay sharp, don't forget the motto, and embracing the chaos within you. Thank you, people.